you applied your concealer, it's gonna look crazy like this, but don't leave it like this or you just gonna be walking around looking crazy. You definitely gotta blend that concealer. The key to natural looking makeup is every area that you apply foundation or concealer or whatever you're putting on your face. Below my waterline. Oh my god, these faces, y'all. These faces. I could zoom up, but I just want y'all to laugh, so I'm gonna leave it like this. I also use the brow pomade as eyeliner. I'm using Kiss lashes for my lashes. Once your lash is applied, you can blend your real lashes and the fake ones with mascara. I'm using Maybelline's Great Lash. These faces, y'all. I don't know if you can tell the difference between the other side and the other side where I applied the mascara, but that is why I apply mascara on my lashes and my real lashes, because I just feel like there's a difference. You might not be able to tell, but I can. To set the makeup, we're going to use Sephora's Set and Refresh Spray. And my favorite lip gloss, which is coconut oil lip gloss. You can get it from any beauty supply store near you. And this is the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and of course show me some love, y'all. Subscribe, like, and if you have any questions, comment below. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and yeah, all right guys, enjoy these little clips of me doing too much, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye guys.